their direct decorating kit.
Yeah, Bluey pumpkin decorating kit. So we have the Bluey body, arms, and the legs, and it comes with paint too. So we're gonna paint it our nice shade of blue. So we're gonna have a blue pumpkin,
Yes,
and we're gonna stick Bluey on there.
Yes, and it has the instructions in the back. And look at Bluey, she's huge.
Yeah, it's gonna look really nice. I can't wait to see it. So we're gonna open this up and paint it, and we're gonna see what it looks like. Okay? Our beautiful light blue pumpkin. I don't think we ever had a light blue pumpkin before, so it's gonna be a first time thing for us. Oh, there's the body and the head.
Her
Right?
arm fell down.
It's got a little,
There it is.
I don't know what you call that, but a little stick that you can put in there inside the pumpkin. And the other one with the arms. We got the legs here too.
That's going to be in the end because we need to paint it first. And this is the paint and paintbrush.
There's the tail. Comes with a tail too. Look at that.
It's cute. Look at that. Arms are big.
Yeah, it's nice.
Bluey body.
So you ready to paint it? Comes with a little paintbrush too.
It's a spongy sponge.
Yeah, sponge paintbrush.
So how do we do this?
I should just.
I can squish it.
Oh, you probably gotta open here.
Squirties! It looks like mustard.
Okay.
It's going
Probably
everywhere.
need a second coat on there, right? We're gonna put the first coat on, and then put another coat on top so it looks nice and light blue. Looks like the sky. Sky blue.
Ooh. This is a nice color for Bluey.
It actually gave you a lot of paint too, so should be able to make 2 coats with this. It's nice paint. Seems like it goes on nice. Need more paint?
Maybe.
Yeah,
And a bit more on that
get some
side.
on top so we're not all a bald head.
Ball head. We don't like bull heads. Whoa.
There you go. We got like half of the side done already.
Whoa.
Putting some paint on there. She's putting a nice coat, first coat paint.
And there's one thing I want to say too. Which one is our favorite character?
Bandit, of course. I like Muffin too. So
Muffin? Oh yeah, I would say Muffin too. And I would say Bluey. Oh, and Chatamax.
oh, and Wilson.
Wilton?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and I like Snickers.
I like his new episode that he has.
Yes,
Where
really
he's Super
fun.
Wilton.
Super Wilton. And he plays the electric guitar. Squirt, see, squirt, squirt. So many. They should do bingo. They should do bingo pumpkin.
They should do the whole family. That would be like how.
I wonder
all
how
the pumpkins.
I wonder how a Chatamax pumpkin look like.
I think we'd have to make our own for that one. I don't think they'll ever make that.
Bluey pumpkin. So this is the blue pumpkin with our paint we came with.
We put 2 coats of blue paint on there, so now it is completely dry. Now we can put our lovely little decorations of Bluey in here. I'm just gonna stick them in here. They have little pegs in the back. So, would you like me to put the body in here?
Yes, then it does the break.
Okay, here we
Go,
go.
Bluey.
Gonna put it right on the top.
Oh, go Bluey. Go inside the pumpkin. Bluey, you're okay? Bluey is well, Bluey's not fitting in there.
Okay, so there's the body in there. So we're gonna, to help this out, because our pumpkin's very strong, we're gonna start it with a little bit of a screwdriver here.
And I'm gonna put the
Since
horns.
we don't want to bend it.
Yeah.
So if we bend it, we want to use them again, of course. So
Yes, we're going to do it for next year and other years, as long as they stay with us. If it breaks, we're going to need to buy a new
I
one.
think this is the other arm. We're gonna switch here.
Okay, yeah, you put that one, I put this one.
Got it?
I got it.
There you go.
I did it.
So we have the tail too. You want to put the tail on the bottom? What do you think?
But I think we should do legs first, then we don't
Let's
get
do the
confused.
legs first.
Okay, we're gonna put her legs. I think I had the right leg. You have to. Okay.
I think I think we're good with for the legs. Okay, we can put these legs in there. You can actually take this off the plate now since it's dry. So now it actually looks like she's standing.
No, I need to put this.
You got it? Okay, so here's the last piece, the tail. We're putting it on this side. So we put the legs like she's standing. You can put the arms wherever you want. You can probably put it closer, but since the pumpkin is kind of the body as well, so we put it on the sides to spread it out a little bit. The pumpkin's a decent sized pumpkin, so we thought we'd put it there. Looks really nice, I think, right? Nice and blue. So there's our lovely pumpkin of Bluey. So we have our decorations all in there. So this is some, yeah, I like it too. So we've done a Mickey Mouse. I think we did a Minnie Mouse too. We've done a pork, which was really fun.
And we did Cocoa Melon too.
So we're gonna figure out what to do with this one. This little cutie pumpkin. So thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoyed our Bluey pumpkin decorating video. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Mommy,
Bye-bye.
in the water.
Which Krabby
Say
Krab?
bye.
Isn't this one?
Bye.